These are tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. 5 of the shapes are right-angled triangles. We also have a square and we have a parallelogram. One of the ways in which we can use the shapes is to help us transform a shape on a Cartesian plane. Here is my Cartesian plane. I am going to select the small triangle to use to do my transformation work. I'm going to place the triangle in the top white quadrant. Now what I'm going to do is just mark the points that represent the vertices for that triangle. Next, what I want to do is transform the triangle, and I'm choosing to reflect it across the x-axis. Now I will mark the points for the triangle that is in the new position. Finally, what I'll do is I will label each of the coordinates. I'm going to start with the triangle in its original position, and I see this one is 3, 2. Here I have 3, 6. And here I have 7, 2. Now I will record the coordinates for the transformed shape. So here I have 3, -2. I have 3, -6. And I have 7, -2. So here is one way in which we can use the shapes to represent a transformation on a Cartesian plane.